Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. The Wigton Wind Farm IPO shares will be listed and begin trading on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange (JSE) on Wednesday, May 22. In an update on the developments since the massive Wigton Wind Farm initial public offering IPO closed on May 1, the company confirmed that the Jamaica Central Securities Depository (JCSD) and lead broker Mayberry Investments Limited (MIL) have completed reconciliation of all applications in the offer for sale of 11 billion ordinary shares in Wigton pursuant to the April 8 prospectus dated April 2019. The company confirmed that over 31,000 applications were received, valued at more than $14 billion and representing more than 28 billion units. The company's prospectus offered shares valued at $5.5 billion. Following an announcement from the National Commercial Bank Jamaica (NCB) of a major system upgrade, fraudsters have been using a copycat strategy in an attempt to defraud its customers with a cleverly disguised phishing email. An alert has been issued for the phishing message, which is sent from info@ncb.com, with the subject line NCB Upgrade, Urgent Attention Required. This tailgates on NCB's efforts to advise customers of its scheduled upgrade activity. The email includes a link to a bogus website. NCB says unsuspecting customers who click on the link are then asked to submit their private banking details under the guise of updating their information to avoid service disruptions. This type of email, commonly known as phishing, is one of the most common forms of email fraud globally. Fraud Prevention Manager at NCB, Lloyd Parchment, says persons should delete any email requesting that they should click on a link and enter confidential information. He also cautioned that even if persons do not enter their information on these fraudulent sites, malware could still be downloaded onto their device if they click on the link, giving hackers access to their personal data. Since last October, NCB's Fraud Prevention Unit has reported an aggressive increase in the number of phishing attacks on customers, with a growth rate of 96% in just 6 months. The government officially launched the Jamaica Trade Information Portal Thursday. The portal, which aims to improve trade facilitation and generate more trade and investment, is a one-stop shop for information on import-export regulations and procedures. It will be managed by the Trade Board. Speaking at the launch, Industry and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw said the portal will provide information and guidance on a single platform. He said the platform will then provide traders, investors, and consumers with a smoother interface of the regulatory and procedural steps needed to facilitate their businesses. The Jamaica Public Service Company JPS suffered a $4.2 million loss for the January to March period this year. During the same period last year, it made a $3.2 million profit. However, the utility company recorded operating revenue of $210.3 million. That was up from $206.9 million last year. In Friday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 2,938 points to close at over 400,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 59 stocks, of which 21 advanced, 31 declined, and 7 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 33 points to close at 3,072. Stocks advanced for 1834 Investments, Access Financial Services, Carreras Limited, Dolphin Cove, and Elite Diagnostic. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Burrito Investments, Berger Paints, and Caribbean Cement. Trading firm were Siboney Group, Fontana Limited, Fosrich Company, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Paramount Trading. Stanley Motor Limited was the volume leader with over 25 million units, followed by Sagicor Group with more than 15 million units and Wisynco Group with just over 7 million units. News in oil. Oil prices edged lower on Friday, but both benchmarks were on track for a weekly gain on rising concerns over potential further supply disruptions in the Middle East shipments due to U.S.-Iran political tensions. Brent crude was down 44 cents at $72.18 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell 7 cents to $62.80. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.